In today's video, I'm going to teach you Restart Illustrator. It may auto-open a recovered file. If Illustrator crashed or your computer shut down unexpectedly, don't panic. Illustrator has a built-in recovery system, and the quickest thing you can do is simply restart the app. Close Illustrator completely if it's still open, then launch it again. In many cases, it will automatically open a recovered version of your document. If that happens, don't keep working without saving. Immediately save the file as a new .ai document so you lock in what was recovered and avoid losing it again. Give it a clear name and choose a safe location. If nothing appears when you restart, the next place to look is the recovery folder on your computer. The exact location depends on your operating system. On Windows, navigate to App Data plus Roaming plus Adobe Illustrator version, Adobe Illustrator Recovery. On Mac, go to Library/Preferences, Adobe Illustrator version, Adobe Illustrator Recovery. Replace version with the version of Illustrator you're using, such as 2023 or 2024. These folders can be hidden by default, so you might need to reveal hidden items. On Windows, you can open the Run dialog and enter the app data path or enable Show Hidden Items in File Explorer. On Mac, open Finder, use the Go menu and reveal the library folder if you don't see it. Inside the recovery folder, look for files with the .aid extension. These are Illustrator's recovery files. If there are several, sort by date modified and pick the most recent one that matches the time of your crash. Double-click the aid file to open it in Illustrator, or open Illustrator first and use File, then Open to select it. Once the recovery file is open, save it right away as a new .ai file. Use File, then Save As, choose Adobe Illustrator, AI, and give it a new name so you don't overwrite anything accidentally. Saving immediately is crucial because recovery files are temporary and can be cleared by the system. After you save, review your artwork to make sure everything looks correct and continue working from the new .ai file you just created. That's it.